Clip to save, you will be amazed.
Hey lovely people,
Crystle.
Coupon and Crystle here with the CVS haul for this week. And the deals featured in today's video is going to run from February 11th to February 17th. So you have until Saturday to do some of these deals, okay? Of course, we're always rolling extra bucks. And I did use 2 cards for the particular deals that I did do. So what I try to do, because I'm low on extra bucks, I'll purchase some items and then I'll get the extra bucks from that, and then I'll do another transaction and roll it into it. Now, doing that is going to be dependent, of course, on your store, what your store allows, okay? I don't usually tend to do more than 2 transactions at a time because you want to be courteous to other shoppers, okay? Now, the first thing that I did the Gliss. The Gliss hair products this week is 2 for $10, and we got those great $4 off of 2 coupons that was in this week's inserts, which was the red plum for $2.11. Okay, so I did all conditioner because I do co-wash my hair. Okay, so I got 4 bottles of that. Now, another thing I wanted to say is that here lately I noticed I haven't been doing a lot of trips to CVS and like I normally would do, because I would always hit beauty every week. So I really need to hit beauty. So these are going to go towards my beauty. If you're unfamiliar with that, when you spend $30 at CVS in qualifying beauty items, there is a link in the description of this video. You can sign up for the beauty club and it's going to give you $3 every time you spend $30 in the qualifying purchases. Okay, moving on. Then everyone this week is going to get some low price of darn near free toothpaste. Everybody is getting the CRT that's going to print out of the red box for $2.50 off of this Max Colgate. Okay, so I got Max Fresh in this flavor, so I did this on one card and I did this on the other card. So the toothpaste is priced at $3. You're going to get a $2.50 CRT. Okay, one of them I had to pay 50 cents, the other one was free because I did have a 50-cent coupons.com coupon that I was able to apply. I'm not going to use those Colgate coupons that we have because the Colgate coupon that was in the inserts is not the right coupon. Okay, now next, moving on. Go get your almost free toothpaste or free toothpaste if you got a 50-cent coupon laying around somewhere. The next deal I did was the soft soap body wash. The soft soap body wash is priced at $3.49 this week. We did have insert coupon in the $2.11 Smart Source that gave you 75% off. Now, you're going to get $1.75 back extra buck when you do this deal. You can only do it one time. The reason why I have 2 body wash is because I had a CRT. I believe it was a 2 off of 6 CRT. Let me make sure, I don't want to tell you wrong. 2 off of 6 body wash. So I had to purchase 2 in order for it to equivalent of $6. I need to spend $6 in order to get the $2 off. So I felt like it was a good deal, even though I only got $1.75 back. If I didn't have the CRT, I honestly would not have bought the body wash, because these, what I end up doing with these, I usually honestly get these away. I'm just saying. So that's a good thing. The Lord wants you to be blessed to be a blessing. So bless someone with your extra stockpile items. Extra body wash, give it away. It's Valentine's Day. Make one of your girlfriends or make your sister up a basket of some of your coupon items and make her up a pamper her basket. I'm sure she would love that. Moving on with the deals. We can't get enough of these cookies in my house because they are delicious. The Hershey Cookie Layer Crunch cookies. These are priced at $3.79 at CVS this week. Now, there's not going to be an extra buck giving back for this. You're not getting an extra buck, but that's okay because we like these cookies. Everyone is, however, getting the $2 CRT that's going to print out of the red box. So everyone is going to get that. Then you're going to combine it with the coupon that was in the, let me see, I wrote it down, the Smart Source 128. You're going to go back to your Smart Source 128 insert. There is a $1 coupon off of one, so your out of pocket for this is going to ultimately be 79 cents, which is still good. These individually wrapped cookies, that's a good deal. Last but most certainly not least. Now, before I do that, let me go back to the Gliss briefly, okay? I don't go on Saving Star very often. However, there is a $2 Saving Star rebate, okay? Now, my cards are linked to my Saving Star app. I cannot recall if I had already clipped that Gliss or if I clipped it later today. I have no earthly idea because this Gliss, I actually purchased this yesterday, okay? So I don't know. We'll have to wait and see if that $2 Gliss gets refunded back to me, because a lot of the Saving Star rebates, if you notice, it'll say don't combine it with any other coupon. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So I'm not even gonna put it in my bottom end total because I don't want to confuse anybody. But just keep it in mind. Make sure you have it clipped. If you do have the Saving Star app and you do rebates with them, make sure you clip the Gliss in case they refund you the $2 and let you have it. The next deal I did, and last but not least, was the Crest mouthwash deal. It's the 3D White and the Pro Health is $4.99 at CVS. Now, this 3D White was not tagged at my store, but I did take it to the machine and scanned it, and it was $4.99. And I've done it before, so I knew 9 times out of 10 it was included in this deal. $4.99, which is great because it's priced way more than that in the store. Okay, you're going to get a $2 extra buck back. I like to do the mouthwash deals because they will let you do it twice to one card. So I did this, got these, and there is a $1 Ibotta rebate that you can do up to 5 times on one receipt. So I did the 3D White, and then I did the Pro Health, okay? Now, there was $1 coupons that was in the, let's see, I wrote it down, lovely people, the 211 Red Plum. So that was this week as well. By all the coupons I used almost was out of this week's coupons. Now, all this great, lovely product cost me $50.54. The cash that I paid out of my pocket was $9.54. Now, I am going to get $2 back because remember, I have the Ibotta rebates that came back to me already. So I got my $2 back for that. So that's basically, actually it was $2.25 because I did have a 25-cent clipped for any item. You know how any receipt, you know how it does that. So it actually gave me $2.25 back, which made my ultimate out of pocket for cash was $7.29. So of course, now if I do get my $2 for my Saving Star, for my Gliss, it's gonna be even better. It's gonna be even better. So that's great. I'm looking forward to that, to see if that shows up. But that will conclude my rolling of extra bucks for today, lovely people. And I still have extra bucks left over. All in all, I'm pleased with my deals. I think I got some good things. If you lovely people got you some great deals at CVS this week, make sure you leave it in the comments below. And remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.